establish this commitment. The LGU's board, the stakeholders and partners' participation, and your dedication is the perfect equation for transformation. Today, we sa Ulo, we celebrate this anniversary by declaring we are stronger, we are better, and we are vibrant in Buanon. Takpak sa kanila! And my name is Editor Joel Polo, and it is my profound honor to be your program host for this momentous event, the Sa Ulo 2025. Wala bang hiyawan dyan? Okay, good morning ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone is doing fine right now. And I see each of us na nakasuot sa loob